Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got for you my dia&co unboxing and try on for the month of April. I get dia boxes every other month, and if you're not familiar with them, they are a personal styling service for sizes 14 and up. And for a $20 styling fee, you will have a stylist that will curate a box of 5 brand new items for you. They send them to your house. You get 5 days to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you have a prepaid shipping envelope to send back any items that you don't want. But if you do keep any of the items, you will get that $20 styling fee credited back to you. And if you decide to keep the entire box, you will get a 25% discount off of the pricing. So every month you get a little list of what is in your box and a note from your stylist. Generally, you will have the same stylist over time. I had my first stylist for over a year. I miss her, Laura, you were awesome. And I've been in a routine now for several boxes with Naya, and I think Naya has finally figured me out. So here is my note from Naya. She says, "Hi Shelly, happy Dia Day. I loved watching your unboxing videos and hope you enjoy these wonderful new styles. I've included these mid-rise distressed boyfriend jeans that will be great to wear with the black and white striped tee and your comfiest sneakers for a casual day. These jeans will also be perfect to pair with the star print blouse and stud earrings for a night out with friends. You can style this royal blue fit and flare dress with a cool moto jacket, a bright belt, and your favorite boots for an edgy vibe, or rock it with a pendant necklace, printed flats, and this studded clutch on a date. I'll always appreciate reading your feedback, so please let me know if these new styles provide a better fit for you." She referenced a couple of notes that I made in my last box and says, "Can't wait to hear back and to see all your fabulous looks." And that's what we're starting out with. So there's your sneak peek of what is in my box. Usually the first thing I do is read the note from my stylist, and then I go through the box and try everything on, and then I will look at the prices, because I don't want the prices to influence whether I love an item or not. Once I decide if I love it, then I will decide if it's worth whatever the price is. And especially when you like the whole box, it makes it a whole lot easier, because 25% off helps quite a bit. So here are the outfits that I got in this dia box. So as mentioned, first up, we have the black and white striped tee. This is from the brand Molly and Isadora. It is the Stacy split back 3/4 sleeve tee in black and ivory. This is in size 2X. It retails for $45. And I am wearing this with the jeans that they sent in this box. The brand is Celebrity Pink. This is the Withe mid-rise cuffed boyfriend jean with destruction in light wash. These are size 18 and they retail for $65. As soon as I saw this was the first thing I pulled out of the box, was this striped tee. And when I pulled this out of the box, I thought to myself, oh, this is like right up my alley with like a quirky jailhouse rock kind of a vibe to it. And normally I wouldn't go for a boyfriend style jean. They're not my favorite cut of jeans, but with this outfit, it just paired so well together. I threw on my red Converse with it, and this is the moment when I snapped my fingers and thought to myself, Naya figured me out. She's got me. The boxes have been getting better and better and better. And like, they will go on and follow your Pinterest boards and look at any information you give them about your style preferences. And Naya, you got me, girl. This is friggin' cute and I love it. Next up, I kept the jeans on, and I'm actually wearing this top today. This is the Mary Bella woven blouse in burgundy and ivory, also in a size 2X. The retail price on this blouse is $69. It's got tiny little shooting stars all over it, and I love this color. I am into wines and burgundies and purples, and I just really like it. I would typically not spend $69 on a blouse. So when you give your feedback about your box, you can give them information on each item as to whether the item was in your budget or out of your budget. So this would typically be out of my budget. I would not spend $69 on a top unless I just fell head over heels dying in love with it. And I wouldn't say I'm $69 worth of in love with this, but I don't want to spoil anything, but I did end up buying the whole box and it made it worth it. But I really like this blouse. I think the design is cute. The colors are right up my alley. The fit is nice, and it's going to be a nice transition piece for spring when it's a little bit too chilly out to go with no sleeves. So thumbs up on this blouse. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. The last couple items in my box go together. From the brand Maribel, I've got the Terry Ann scoop neck dress in royal blue. This is in size 2X. It is a knit fit and flare. It is lined, it's knit lined. It's got a really good weight to it for a knit dress, which I really like the drape of it because it's got that sort of weight to the fabric. And this retails for $75. And as recommended by my stylist, I grabbed one of my moto jackets and put on a belt with it and paired it with boots for that sort of edgy look, which is probably how I would typically style something like this. The other item is an accessory. It's the Cambridge clutch in navy and black, and it retails for $28.50. Super cute, right up my alley. I'm a really big fan of quirky, edgy, you know, that alternative slash punk rock, like homage to my youth kind of a thing. So anything studded, it's in my wheelhouse. This is in my wheelhouse. I don't change my bags very often. Like, I'm not sure when I will use a clutch. I don't go out carrying clutches. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but I'm going to make a point to try to use it because it's right up my alley in terms of the style, and it goes really nicely with this dress. So I'm just going to have to pair this dress with this clutch and go somewhere. That's my plan. So what did this box total? If we add up all the retail prices, the total cost of this box came to $282.50. The styling fee, if you choose anything in the box, you get $20 credited back to you. If you buy the whole box, you'll get another 25% off. That came to $70.62. So if I were to buy the entire box, it would cost $191.88. Spoiler alert, I bought the whole box. It's awesome. I love everything in this box. It is right up my alley, and this was a very successful Dia box for me. Heck yeah, go Naya. Love it. I will be getting my next box right before I leave for Ireland to teach a 6-week study abroad. So I'm pretty excited about that. I have requested that Naya send me a dress that I can wear for the opening night of the film festival that we go to, and that's what will be coming in my next box. I don't know if I'll be able to film that before I go to Ireland or not. We will see. Fingers crossed. It should come at the end of May. So there's my dia&co box for April 2018. If you like these unboxings, give me a thumbs up down below. I will know to keep on making them. If you would like to check out dia&co, I will give my referral link down below. I will get a discount off my next box if you use my link. I appreciate it if you do, but I recommend dia&co regardless of whether you use my link or not. I've been using them for a couple years now, and I absolutely love this service. I am really bad at pairing up and styling things, and this has been a great opportunity for me to kind of get lessons on styling things, and then I can look when I go shopping at, you know, the cheap places that I like to shop at, like Target and Kohl's, but I can look for similar patterns and combinations of things, and it has really helped me to build my wardrobe in a style that feels like my own. Thank you so much to dia&co. I thoroughly enjoy your service, and I know you don't know who I am besides your customer, but that's okay. I love the service, and I will continue to use it for the foreseeable future. Thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over beauty, clothing, fashion with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.